Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how much time will it take to affect the stock market because of external news. Now in the previous video I've showed in the previous videos of mine I've showed you to you how is the stock market affected by negative news and how would you trade in this type of situation. In this video I would tell you how much in how much time it will take for the stock market to get affected by these external news. So let's get started with the video. As you can see that there are many ups and downs in the stock market in the past 1 year. So if you take a closer look at this one area, you can see that this dip occurred due to the impact of the COVID-19. So take a look at it, how much time it takes. 7th of February and 25th of March. So in about a month and a half it dropped down by 30 to 40%. So this much time it took to drop. As you can see that, so in this type of situation, as you can see that um, it took much less time to drop by 30 to 40% because of the negative news in the stock market. This happened due to the impact of the COVID-19, because in those times, in that time, there were lockdowns imposed in different countries. Flights were banned, hotels were closed, and many of the things, businesses were shut down. So easy to say, businesses were shut down, and in this type of situation, people were greedy. The investors, the people were fearful, and they were afraid to invest in the stock market in this situation. So the best time to invest in this situation is wait for the great dip to hit the hit its bottom, the lowest low, and after that, when it hit the lowest low, invest when you feel like the stock market is going up now. So be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful, as said by Warren Buffett. So in this case, people were fearful up till this point, and at this point you'll have to be greedy and invest in the stock market to go up. So it took this much time to, anyways, let's get to our point. So it took a month and a half to drop down by 30 to 40%. Easy to say, it takes less time to drop by this much percent, because the stock market is affected within days. It may affect within days, a month, or a week, or in days. This much is the time to drop by. Other than that, if you take a closer look at this level, this is not that much of importance, because this is normal. These dips are normal. As you can see, in these areas the investors are taking out their profits from this stock, because they see that this stock has reached its highest high and gave its profit to us, and we have gained our profit from this by investing in this stock. So they withdraw their profits, withdraw their investment, and invest in other stock that are at a discount price. This is normal. Now these last candlesticks, these are not normal. These are due to the Senate election in our country, in at Pakistan. So this dip was due to those news that affected the stock market. Now this news also happened due to the political condition of our country. This October move, this also happened due to because of that, and now the stock market has recovered by more than 30 to 40%, and it's now normal. So if you take a closer look at this level, you can see that you guys might have known of where to enter in the stock market in this situation. As you can see, at this level the stock market is now down for quite a while now. It was down for quite a while, because now when, if you take a closer look at these levels, the stock market jumped back up again. Why? Because in these days the lockdowns were loosened, and businesses were reopened. Timings were then the times that the trading hours were then lengthened, because the situation was recovering in this area. So most of the what do you call it, most of the businesses were reopened, so the investors were now confident in investing in the stock market or in businesses which they feel that it would it would give them profit. So in these times the stock market has recovered by more than 30 to 40%, and is now, and the investors are now happy with the results they acquired. So as there are negative news in our country, when a few cases of COVID-19 are reported and lockdowns are again, when lockdowns are again imposed, in those situations the stock market would drop by, would drop down, would dip by, I don't know how much percent, but it would dip, it would affect the stock market. So the stock market is affected by these type of news, and is recorded by these type of news again. When there are positive news in our country and the situation is good in our country, when everything is normal, so the stock market would be normal. And when the traders are withdrawing their investment from a certain stock, that is not a dip, or that is not bad news. They are just locking in their gains and investing in other stocks for much more profits, because they see that they've took out their value from the by investing in the stock market in this area. So in this type of situation, in these in those type of stocks, you can do, what you can do is you can short your position in those levels. Now as you can see at this level, you'll have to short your position at this point and take long position at these points to gain much more profits. Now again at this points, when you feel like the stock market is dipping, a certain stock is dipping, a certain stock is going down in value, so in those type of situation, short your position. And when you feel that it will give you the insight that the stock market has dropped down to its final point, and will now rise from this point, so in that case invest in the stock market. As you can see that I found a resistance level, a support level for this stock, so at this level you can see that this stock would go up. Now we will have to wait for it to show us some positive results of what will happen next in the days ahead. So in this drop, the market, Karachi Stock Exchange, the Pakistan Stock Exchange, dropped by 3057 points. So this happened also due to the political conditions in our country, which are uneasy, which gives an uneasiness to the investors, because they withdraw their money from this in this area, and they invest in other stocks or hold their investment. The best investment is, in this type of situation, the best investment is that you must have cash. Yes, you must have cash, some money. So when the dip is final and reach to its bottom, invest, buy the stocks, invest in that time, and wait for it to give you the positive, to give you some much more profits than other days of the market. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.